Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 2, Tennessee Williams play A Streetcar Named Desire, 1947, scenes 1 through 6, 1,000 words, 120 points. Okay, let's scroll down and survey this assignment. We see 2 videos here. The first is about this assignment, and this is a video you're currently watching and listening to. We have a second video, Shmoop Freitag's Pyramid, and it's right here. As we scroll down the screen, we see an illustration of Freitag's Pyramid right here. And scrolling further down, we see 3 links: the timeline, the assignment purpose, and the discussion rubric. Later in this video, I will go over the timeline with you, clicking on this link, but I'm going to leave the assignment purpose for you to click on and read, and also the discussion rubric, which is super important because that's how I evaluate your work in the discussion. Okay, as we scroll down the screen, we see we have a part 1 to this assignment, and we also have a part 2. Let's look at the part 1 and read those directions partially. Okay, watch the Freitag's Pyramid video at the top of the screen. Let's scroll back up so we see where that is, and here it is. The Shmoop Freitag's Pyramid video right here. Okay, after you watch the video, then in 750 words, 3 pages, answer the questions below about scenes 1 through 6 of Tennessee Williams' 1947 play, A Streetcar Named Desire. Okay, I'm not going to read these questions with you. I'm going to let you read them on your own. I am going to point out to you that everything that you see in blue has a link to a text or a definition, as in the case of these words, symbolic, foreshadowing, and ominous. Okay, so Tennessee Williams play is here in this link. If for any reason you cannot access the play through this link, then scroll up and go into Pages, which is here in the left menu. Click on it, and then click on View All Pages. And unfortunately, as we can see here at the top, it's not always in perfect alphabetical order pages, so we would have to scroll down and find the work we want. And as I scroll down, I can find the play, A Streetcar Named Desire, right here. Okay, I am going to scroll back up. I'm going to click on the back arrow once, and then twice, a second time, to get back into the assignment. And I'm going to make one other point about how to access literary works. As we all know, sometimes links on the internet move around, so if you cannot access this play in this online classroom, then simply go into Google, type in Williams' name and the name of the play, and the text will come up. It is definitely accessible via the internet. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to read the part 2 directions. So part 2, write a minimum of 125 words, half a page, in response to 2 peers' postings for a total of 250 words, 1 page. What should you write about? Compare your answers to the questions with your peers' answers. And of course, these are the questions here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let me scroll up now and click on the timeline. So here is our timeline. Post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think you cannot meet this timeline, come over here to the left menu to inbox and send me an email. Let me know what's going on, and I'll do my best to help you. Okay, I'm clicking on the back arrow now. I'm getting back into our assignment, and let's get going on discussion 2. And remember, I'm here in inbox. No question is silly or unimportant. You can email me as many times as you need to until an assignment is clear to you. I care about your learning, and I love to hear from you. Okay, let's begin.